Okay, hello people. I wanted to show you how to fix knife tool problem, and I know what was causing this problem. I will show you from the beginning. I thought Blender developers will finally fix. I think this is a regression when this error comes up. I have to check something because I got the newest compilation of Blender and I have to quick application. I have to double check what compilation is. And because one of the things I will have to show you how to fix that error, because I found out solution in ViewOrg, in 3D ViewOrg as well. When sometimes a knife tool behaves like that. When you see this error, you can quickly uncheck this and check again, and this error will not exist anymore. Press Z to cut through. I showed it to you because this is to do with 3D cursor, but I thought that the Blender developers, they already fixed that. Hope you will like this video tutorial. In my previous video tutorial, I was using orthographic ViewOrg, because in orthographic ViewOrg you don't have to worry about this option. Knife tool will work without any problems, but when I showed it to you tutorial, this should be working okay in perspective ViewOrg. But you have to remember to deselect this option. I use this option because rotation around the object is much better. That is why I use this option, and F button, view frame selected. Now you can check and you can cut through. I hope you like my video tutorial.